Alright, what is going on, guys? Surgeon's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install multiple Mac programs at once. It doesn't give you the longest list in the world, but 9.9 is better on Windows. 9.9 is currently not available for Mac, and I don't know if it actually ever will be, but I just think this is a cool tip to do. You will need a terminal, and if you're not experienced with the terminal, don't worry, this takes nothing. It literally takes not much to do. So go ahead and, just enjoy the video. Alrighty guys, so to get to the website, you're just going to go ahead and open up your personal, favorite browser. You can use Mozilla Firefox or even Safari for this, or even Opera, but no one really uses it. So this is the website you want to go to. There is a link in the description below, or you can just type in getmacapps.com. It's not that hard to type. So it's just going to give you internet options, productivity options, messaging options, media, and so on and so forth. So I just think this is helpful so you don't have to sit there and install certain apps. Another way to do this is just you got to select the ones you want. So let's go with... say I want Handbrake, VLC Player, and Kodi, which I don't think is very many gigs. Now, a lot of these aren't going to install immediately properly because you have to have certain file systems, which I have not installed yet, so it may be a little bit harder for me as well. I'm going to install Caffeine and Alfred because I think it's better than Spotlight because it gives you more options. And that's it. So go ahead and click Install these. Then you're going to go ahead and select all of this. You're going to do Command-C to copy that link. Then you're going to go ahead and do Command-Space to do this, and you're going to type in Terminal, or TER, and then just click Enter. Now you're going to grab the terminal, and you're going to do Command-V. Then it's going to enter this in, go ahead and click Enter. Then it's just going to go ahead and start doing this. It doesn't take very long, and if you actually go to your Launchpad, you can watch them install. Speaking of which, I need to add this down here. This is bothering me, I'm sorry. I have OCD with this kind of thing. Anyway, so now that it says it's not done yet, it's going to take a bit. So I think when it's done, it's going to tell you. I'm not entirely sure. It should start showing apps here. It depends on how long it takes. It's actually showing you what it's doing. It's actually installing it on my disks, my hard disk, which is my solid state, because it's not necessarily a hard disk anymore. Alright, so when it's done, it's going to show up your name of the Mac, and it's going to show your username. So when you're done, you can just go ahead and click Out. Now it's just going to install the ones that it can. So, preferably I use Alfred, Caffeine, and VLC Player. I'm going to put VLC Player here. So I just wanted to show you guys that cool trick because, it might come in handy for the future. I know there's not very many apps on that site, but I'm sure there will be in the future, and hopefully 9.9 will actually figure out how to make it work for Mac as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. Tell me how I did in the comments below. This video won't be uploaded for a while because I'm not going to upload every day anymore, but if you guys enjoyed the video, I'll see you guys next video. If you guys enjoyed the video, like the video. Sorry, I'm tired. I was up all night puking. I know I shouldn't be doing a video right now, but I honestly regret it, to be honest with you. But anyway, I'll see you guys next video, and peace out. Also, share my channel. But yeah, peace out.